Hey, what's up everybody? Brent from Brenspeed. Thanks so much for watching Brenspeed TV. 19 GT automatic. We're going to watch a Dyno pull laying down over 860. I said the 860 rural horsepower. We are going to go look at it. We're going to tell you how we got there. Of course, a lot more mods than just basically bolting on a Whipple. But hey, if you haven't, please subscribe and notify us up to date. Check out other cool videos we make. I've dug with me. Let's go check it out. Okay, so as you're watching this, you're probably going to have a lot of questions. Don't forget, as always, open the description. I'm going to put links to a lot of everything we're talking about, but I'm going to try to give you as much detail as possible as how did we get to 860 rural horsepower through the auto. Of course, this is an E85 car. We do have in this. It came in. We got a phone call. Damaged engine. Said, hey, I've got this 19 with a damaged engine. Came in. We put a Ford Racing illuminator in it. We did the NA version because it's higher compression. It already had the Whipple on it. Doug, come down here, take a look. So we have the Ford Racing illuminator, Gen 5 Whipple, 15 pounds of boost on E85. This is a 3.25 pulley. Now everyone always says, how much boost, what size pulley? I'm trying to do better to let you know that, in case you don't happen and take the time to open the description to read more about it. 15 pounds of boost, E85, 4 return style fuel system. We always use 4. That is the best fuel system you can get. ID 1050 injectors. Cooling mods, as always, our big Adler radiator. You know, this has billet oil pump gears, rear cylinder head cooling kit, Siemens power long tube headers. It's an auto. It isn't built auto. In a second, I'll tell you a little bit more about that. But it does have some other cool mods that we are going to take a look at. But first, watch this dyno pull. All right, check out these numbers. Dynojet SAE, 861 rural horse, peaking at 7,800 RPM. Torque, whoa, look at that, through the auto, 653, peaking at 6,000. Boost, 15 pounds. Killer setup, awesome street car, 85. And you know, I told you we did do some other mods of this. If you wonder what it costs to get something like this built, you simply email quote@brenspeed.com. And don't forget, as far as Whipples go, you have a 15 to 17, maybe you have a Gen 3 like this right here. You have a 350. We typically always have these Whipples in stock on Brenspeed.com. But this car did get some other mods that was here. So he was like, hey, I want some other stuff. We did the full GT350 front and rear brakes. Doug, take a look at that. They are sick. And when you buy this crazy GT350 brake package, even comes with half shafts. That's pretty sweet. We did some upgrade, you know, to the IRS, as well as, you know, one-piece drive shaft, just basically all the common stuff. And then the transmission, Doug, come over here. I'm not gonna like retake this. It's Pure Drivetrain Solutions. I had to look at my note. I couldn't remember. It's very popular. They're out of New York. 10-speed auto, Pure Drivetrain Solutions, killer automatic transmission in this. This car should be awesome on the street and last a long time because we have the built engine, built transmission, a lot of upgrades. So hey, if you have any questions, please leave a comment. Happy to answer. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'm Brent from Brenspeed, Brenspeed TV. Please subscribe and notify us up to date. Hope you like it. Have a great day.